Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new topic, the international number system. Um, before this video, we were doing exercise number 1.3. I hope you all have done all the questions in your notebook. Today we will start the new topic, the international number system. Before that, in our previous videos, we have discussed about Indian number system. Today we will compare both the number system so that we can understand the international number system in a proper way. Okay. So in Indian number system and international number system, both number systems are there. In both the number systems, few things are common and few things are totally different. First of all, we will talk about the common things. Okay. In Indian number system, once period is common in both the number systems. Ones, tens, hundred in Indian system also, ones, tens, hundred in international system also. In both the systems, these three things are common. After that, thousands here also, thousands here also. After that, 10,000s here also and 10,000s here also. But in Indian number system, after 10,000, lakh is coming. And in international number system, after 10,000, 100,000 is coming. So, up to 10,000, in both the number system, the things are same. After 10,000, in Indian number system, lakh is coming, and in international number system, 100,000 is coming. Why it is so? Because in Indian number system, only ones period are having 3 digits. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. After that, every period is having 2 digits. 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, like this. Okay. In international number system, after ones period, in all the periods, the digits are same, 3 digits. In ones period also, 3 digits are there, ones, tens, hundred. In thousands and period also, 3 digits are there, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. After that, the period will come millions, million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Okay, it is very simple. 3 digits are there. But in Indian number system, after ones period, 2 digits will be there. Okay, so here is the difference in Indian number system and international number system. Up to 10,000, in both the number system, the things are same. But after that, lakh is coming in Indian system and 100,000 is coming in international number system. Okay, from here the difference has started. It is totally different from each other. Okay. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Here 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores, like this it is going. Okay. So, if we will compare both the number systems, then we will find that 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Okay. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1 lakh, if there is 1 lakh in Indian system, then in international system it will be 100,000. If 10 lakh is there in India system, and then in international number system it will be 1 million. If 1 crore is there in Indian system, then in international system it will be 10 millions. Okay, 10 crores, 100 millions. Okay. Okay. So we will take some example for understanding this better, in a better way. Okay, few digits I have taken, 1, 4, 8, 5, 0, 7, 4, 6. Okay, if we have to write this number in both the systems, Indian system and international system, how we will write? First we will discuss about Indian system. Okay, after first 3 digits, 6, 4, 7, we will put comma. After that, after every 2 digit we will put comma. 746, comma, 50, comma, 48, comma, 1, comma. Okay. So in Indian number system, before ones period, we will put comma after every 2 digit. Okay, so how we will write this number in number names? 1,48,50,746. Okay, now we will see the international number system. The same digits are there. Okay, in this system we will put comma after every 3 digits. Okay, 746 comma 850 comma 14 comma. Okay, 14 comma 850 comma 746. Okay, so how we will write? We will start from here. It is ones period, it is thousands period, and it is million period. Okay, ones period, thousand period, and million period. So in million period only 2 digits are there, so it will be 14. Okay, the 14,850,000. Okay, 850,746. Okay, like this we will write in international number system. Okay, now you will write these rules. I will send the pic of this work. You will write this work in your notebook. After that we will start our exercise tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.